cat, dog, and pig get a gig on the
deck.
So
that's a purple level sound pick. So the C and the K together make that speech sound cut.
Yeah.
Deck.
10 men go to the gig.
Amazing.
We're actually going to start off with spelling. We've done this before. I'll tell you what it is that you can see, and I just want you to do the lines.
Oh, so get ready with your lines.
Speech sounds. Ant. Tin. Pan. Tap. Hat. Pin. Nap. Sit. Nap. Sip. Pan. Pat. Pant. Spin. Tan.
Now, because it's so good, we might find that actually in the middle of next week he's done all this, and he's, you know, I can give him some more. He was doing that so easily.
Snap. Spin. Spin. Pants. Say as many of these words as you can before I move on to the next screen.
Now, don't worry if you... Like sit, pat, tap, pin. See, I can't do it quickly. But you'll get used to them, so pit, pant, whatever. Try and look at the word, though, instead of the illustration.
By the picture, like the picture of the ant or whatever.
And the first few times, just look at it.
Yeah.
Speech sounds first. At, sat.
So we're just going to do the speech sounds.
Ant.
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 At.
Pat. Tap. Tap.
So with your eyes, you're trying to see the sounds that I'm saying.
Yeah.
Pin. Ap. Nap.
Because that's what you've missed before, is that people have been trying to teach you whole words, and I don't want you to do that. I want you to see how we say them.
Yeah.
Sit, tan.
Tan.